Namaskar, Jojolapa, and good morning to all the listeners, especially the students in grade 9. As usual, I am Liladhar Adhikari, the English teacher from Kirtipur Secondary School. I am speaking through the wave of Neva FM 106.6 MHz in the class 9 radio lesson of English. Neva FM is the presentation of Anak Media for Nepal Bhasa Academy, situated in Kirtipur, and the radio class is organized by Kirtipur municipality to help our students at this Corona or COVID-19 pandemic situation. My dear students, is everything going well? I am okay. Thank you. Everyone is welcome to this Radio English class. Are you sitting beside the radio with pen and paper and your textbook? Can anybody remember what we did last week? Exactly. We had a listening lesson then. About what? That's it. It was all about greeting. Etiquette of especially European and American people. Do their greeting practices match with ours? No, they don't. So, what was the problem that was faced by the narrator or speaker? You are right. First, the speaker himself faced the embarrassing situation in Europe, and later his wife did so in Nepal. That is, what was that very greeting style, students? What was that very greeting style? Yes, it is cheek kissing or social kissing. Now, let's go to today's business. Dear all, how many books have you read so far, except your course books? Except your course books, textbooks, which you study in your school, how many books have you read so far? Other books? Okay, I am sure you have definitely read some in the lockdown or before that. Yes, Munamadan by Lakshmi Prasad Devkota. English too. Stories of children. Wow, Harry Potter. Wonderful. And how many movies have you watched recently during the lockdown? Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, or Hollywood movies? That's wonderful. Chinese and Korean movies with English subtitles too. Well, have you written anything about the books you have read or the movies you have watched? Yes. Only you talk of them with your friends. Don't you write about them in your diaries? If not, make this habit. If you watch a film, write its name or title, language of medium, name of the director, name of the producer, duration of the film, actors or actresses, genre of the movie, release date, and your overall impression, that is, likes and dislikes too. You mention what the movie is about. Is it a short film, feature film, or a documentary? Similarly, you have to write about the book that you read. Name of the book, author's name, publisher, genre of the book, publication date, and so on. If it is a fiction, fiction means story or novel, you mention the name of the characters. For example, Muna, Madan, Bhote-dai, Madan's old and sick mother, Naini Bhauju in Muna Madan are the different characters. The next thing is you write about the contents of the book. That is, what the book is about, and you give the reason why you like the book and why you don't like it. Dear students, such writings about the movies and books are called reviews. A movie review or a book review. The movie review or the book review. Have you read one in the newspapers and magazines? Many people go to watch movies and read books after they read such reviews. You know, if you write one, a movie review or a book review, you can get it published in the newspaper or in the magazines. Nowadays, there are so many forums in the internet. Dear all, in today's lesson, we are going to read 2 specimen reviews. Each one is a movie review and a book review. I think most of you have watched the famous Nepali movie Jhola, which is based on the story authored by Krishna Dharabasi. Krishna Dharabasi is one of the renowned fiction writers in Nepali literature in this time. The next book review is about one of the most popular fictions among teenagers, and it's an English book by William Goulding, Lord of the Flies. The name of the book is Lord of the Flies. Well, before you read the reviews in your textbook, write down 2 questions. On completion of reading, you will answer these questions. So, number 1, please write down, what is spellbinding in the movie? Once again, let me repeat. What is spellbinding in the movie? The second question is, what leads to the tragic end of the children's world? Once again, what leads to the tragic end of the children's world? Dear, now open your textbook, that is English grade 9, and read the 2 reviews on page number 156 and 157 silently. While reading, try to find the answer of the questions previously mentioned and underline or write down the difficult words. We will discuss them later. Don't you have a textbook? Don't worry. I'll read for you. Listen carefully. The first one is a movie review. Title of the movie Jhola. Director Yadav Kumar Bhattarai. Producers Raj Timal Sinha, Ram Gopal Thapa and Sushil Saha. Starring Garima Panta, Deshbhakta Khanal, Sujal Nepal, Lakshmi Giri and Deepak Chhetri. The genre of the movie is social. There are different genres: social, thriller, horror, romance, etc. Duration of the movie Jhola 90 minutes. The language is Nepali and release date 7 December 2013. The movie was released on 7 December 2013. Jhola is a Nepali film based on Krishna Dharabasi's short story Jhola. It has depicted Nepali society about the Sati tradition that was prevalent until the 1920s. The film has beautifully presented the issues of violence against women. Has Nepali society really passed through such inhuman tradition? Is the question every youngster wonders about. The plot develops with the death of Garima's husband, in which she has to immolate herself upon her husband's death, typically on his funeral pyre. She is supposed to be burned alive with the dead body of her husband according to the tradition. However, she escapes the fire and hides in a cave. The help of her son fascinates the audience. Almost all scenes seem realistic and historical. Traditional tools like dhiki, jato, madani, etc. give traditional look in the film. Similarly, traditional lights like rako, dialo, and fireplace represent ancient environment to the spectators. In addition to Sati tradition, the movie also touches Kamara Kamari, a kind of slavery tradition prevalent in Nepal. What a beautiful cinematography it is! I think costumes of the artist and the leaf music in traditional tunes touch the heart of everyone present in the cinema hall. Garima's natural appearance, her role and her acting are spellbinding and add to the beauty of the movie. This is a must-watch movie. Don't miss it. It's all about movie. Okay, this is the time for commercial break. I will be back soon.
जोजोलोपा जी सूरज व्यञ्जनकार सञ्चारकर्मी व म्यालामी छि न्याचना दिगुदु छि सकल नेवा तेगु स नेवा स नेवा एफएम 106.6 नित्य चक्षी 24 घण्टा प्रसारण जचुदु निना दिशा निंगा दिशा संतान जिता थे झूला रे मैं झूले.
Welcome back again, dear students. Let me read out the book review for you. A specimen of book review on Lord of the Flies. Title of the book, Lord of the Flies. Author, William Golding. Publisher, Penguin Book. Characters, Jack, Piggy, Ralph, Eric, Roger, Simon, Sam, and others. Genre, fiction. Fiction means books that are there are stories, okay, and novels. Year of publication 1954 AD. William Golding's Lord of the Flies is still popular among teenagers. Its popularity is heightened because it is a blend of mystery and adventure. Furthermore, it carries the message to be civilized by remaining under law and order despite the absence of seniors for peaceful living. The story opens with a plane crash leaving a group of reckless schoolboys in a deserted island. In the beginning, it seems as if the young boys' dreams have come true. They wouldn't want a whole island to play on all day without any nagging from the adults. Soon, they start governing themselves by electing a leader, in spite of the absence of any adults. The plot develops with the struggle of the leader and protagonist, Ralph and Jack, the antagonist. Soon, hunger of power creates conflicts, and that leads to anarchy. Gradually, their decisions and actions turn from worse to barbaric and bloody. This leads to the tragic end of the children's world. Ralph's innocence is the most appealing. Later, his maturity and realization is another fascinating part of the plot. It gives the lesson that life is not at all about how many friends you have and how popular you are, nor is it just having fun. The more one reads, the more one discovers the deep meaning of these questions. Are people naturally prone to evil? Which is better, to have rules and agree, or to haunt or kill? Indeed, inner meaning is dark, tragic, and pessimistic, but it makes the reader wonder how thin the line between good and evil really is. Yet, it deals with a fundamental issue of humanity. What a transformation from innocence to experience it is. Almost every reader would recommend this book to teenagers who want to try something different or who like adventures and mystery. Dear students, have you found the answer of the first question? The number one question is, what is spellbinding in the movie? Good. You have found the correct answer. The chief actress of the movie, Garima's natural appearance, her role and her acting are really spellbinding. Now the second question is, what leads to the tragic end of children's world? Yes, the decision and actions turning from worse to barbaric and bloody leads to the tragic end of the children's world. Dear, next you have to do exercise 1 on page number 158 in your textbook. Here you have to find the words that are similar to the given meaning. Moreover, you have to put the correct words in the blanks in the sentences given by me here. Please write down the sentences first. Number A, please write down. Rajesh Hamal was in a ... role for a long time in Nepali movies. Once again, Rajesh Hamal was in a ... role for a long time in Nepali movies. Number B, in the story of Swasthani, Sati Devi decided to self ... for her father didn't invite her and her husband Mahadev. Once again, in the story of Swasthani, Sati Devi decided to self ... for her father didn't invite her and her husband Mahadev to the yajna organized by Daksha Prajapati. She, Madan is the ... in Munamadan by Lakshmi Prasad Devkota. Madan is the ... in Munamadan by Lakshmi Prasad Devkota. D, Mona Lisa is a ... painting of all time. Mona Lisa is a painting of all time. E. There shouldn't be any of the market at the time of crisis like COVID-19. Once again, there shouldn't be any of the market at the time of crisis like COVID-19. F. I have got pain in my lower back. Number F. I have got a pain in my lower back. Now, can you fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from the reading text? The words given in your books are actors, enthralling, and sacrifice from the movie review, and chief character, troublesome, and loss from the book review. One more word, highlighting, has been added by me. Highlighting. Okay. Now, let's go. My dear all, can you find the word and fill in the blank? Okay. Let's try. Number A. Rajesh Samal was in a role for a long time in Nepali movies. That is, I have given you highlighting. The word in your review is starring. Starring role for a long time in Nepali movies. Rajesh Samal was in a starring role for a long time in Nepali movies. Number B. In the story of Swastani, Sati Devi decided to self for her father didn't invite her and her husband Mahadev. What is that? That is sacrifice, the word, and the synonym of sacrifice is immolate. Immolate. Therefore, in the story of Swastani, Sati Devi decided to self-immolate for her father didn't invite her and her husband Mahadev. C. Madan is the protagonist in Muna Madan by Lakshmi Prasad Devkota. Protagonist is similar in meaning with chief character in your book, given in the book review. Protagonist. D. Mona Lisa is a painting. What type of painting? You are right. That is enthralled or spellbinding. Spellbinding is the word similar in meaning with the word enthralling. E. There shouldn't be any of the market at the time of crisis like COVID-19. The word is lawlessness. That is anarchy. No existence of any law. There shouldn't be any anarchy of the market at the time of crisis like COVID-19. F. I have got a pain in my lower back. That is, you are right, troublesome. The similar word meaning is nagging. I have got a nagging pain in my lower back. Nagging, the word exists in the book review. Now, can you fill in the okay? Now, my dear all, it's the time for question answer. Can you answer the given question? Page number 158, exercise 2. The first question is, who is Garima? Second question, can you answer the first question? Yes, Garima is the chief actress whose role is the role of Sati in the movie. The second question, which social label is depicted in the movie Zola? Depicted means represented. Which social label? There are so many social labels prevailing in Nepalese society. Yes, the social label Sati tradition chiefly, and also Kamara Kamari tradition. Kamara Kamari tradition is a kind of slavery, slave, are depicted in the movie. That is located in first and the third paragraph. Number C, what is the best part of the film? You are right, the best part is natural appearance of the actors, actresses, mainly Garimas, and cinematography, or motion picture videography it is called. They are really impressive. D, who are the major characters of the Lord of the Flies? Jack, Peggy, Ralph, Eric, Roger, Shimon, and Sam are the major characters. You know. E, Where does the story of the boys begin? The story begins from the plane crash in a deserted island. From the beginning of the second paragraph, you can see there in your book. Dear students, here other questions you have to do and submit to your English teacher. The review we have learned here, movie review or book review, that is very interesting and equally important task for you. If you write regularly, you can get it published. Moreover, writing such reviews are frequently asked not only in SCE but also in class 11 and 12 English, that is in SLC examinations. Well, we are at the end of the today's class. Dear all, do the exercise on page number 158, given your textbook, and submit it to your subject teacher. You had better submit them through online means such as Messenger, Viber, email, etc. Well, that's the end of our live hour. Thank you so much for tuning in. We have got Grade 10 English coming up next. Let me extend my sincere gratitude to Unit Shakya for the technical support for this program. Have a good day. Stay safe and healthy.